What?
Book.
I've got a book in my hand, yeah.
Book.
Yours is inside.
Book.
Can you say thanks for my book? Say thanks.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Crank it up.
You can't? Try again. Grab it. Pull. Pull hard. Pull hard.
Do it again, Andrew. Nolly, come here.
Try it again. You can't? Good boy.
Dada.
What? He's gonna holler at Dad to come. Be careful close to that edge.
Mama.
What? Yeah. Ah. It won't do it. Dad's the only one that knows how to do it. Yeah, Dad has to crank it.